Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use dual WhatsApp option on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, suggest swipe up. Now here you will see click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and search advanced features. You will see click on advanced features. Scroll down to end. You will see doll manager is here, so click on doll managers. So you will see WhatsApp is here. So if you want to use doll WhatsApp, so turn on this button, so click on install. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use dual WhatsApp on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.